Hello fellow trading and investing fanatics. Today we're going to talk about OEG. So OEG is one of my speculative stocks that I've been holding for a while. And today they just had an announcement. And let's see what they say. Okay, so basically today they announced that they acquired Gibson Technical Services and has been awarded a project for approximately 700 miles of engineering and construction turnkey services across central Mississippi to be completed over the next 4 years for TEC of Jackson Incorporated. Now, this is very good news, and the stock has actually really performed well today. Just today it's off 150, double in price actually. So I personally have been selling covered calls for a while on OEG, and I'm going down to $1.07. So naturally, I'm very excited that they actually announced the acquisition. And today I actually sold a covered call around like $6.20. I sold the $7.50 covered call, and it's already past it. So it's good and bad in the same way, but I'm okay with it. I'm gonna hold on until the June 18 expiration date and see where it closes. Now, with today's price action and the amount of volume we see today is actually really good, right? Now, if you look, we had ever since the SPAC mania, or the growth stock mania that happened from late October last year to about February of this year, that all the growth stocks, the SPACs, anything that's speculative has been taking a hit. So this right here, it's a very, very good sign. And for me, I'm gonna hold this until, forever. Once I get my cost base to zero, I am gonna hold it until the company succeeds or fails, right? So this price action is good because we has just broken past all the previous swings. So on the daily, so we broke this, we broke this, we broke this on March as well, and we closed above all of it. So now this is really bullish. So I'm looking at what price does around this area, which is around 650. So we chop around for the next week or two. If we go higher, or we chop around, or we come back and retest, or maybe fill the gap, then if filling the gap is not really a very bullish sign generally, but given what's going on in the general market, I think OEG should be able to hold this. So let's see where price action goes. We only have 1 day of price action, and one close is not enough, so we need a few more days to kind of see whether it wants to chop around, or maybe move higher, or it wants to fill the gap. So all in all, great news. And like I said, it really pays to hold a stock for the long term, because I used to be a trader, and then I would always buy and sell. But for me, I've come to the conclusion that buying and holding is probably the best strategy over the long run. And me, myself, even though I only have 100 shares, I intend to hold this for a very long time. So that's just a quick update on OEG. I'm really happy that they announced it, and it moved the stock, and investors are really positive about the news. So we'll see where it goes, because it's only 1 day of price action. So there you have it, guys. This is an update, and I'll see you guys in the next video.